We were sent this Kim Evans double wide 2-person sleeping pad. This thing has been fantastic. I just got back from a camping trip with my daughters, and this was so comfortable. I really enjoyed the fact that it has the built-in pillows here, so dual pillows. And then the wavy pattern design here really helps distribute your weight as well as make it very comfortable for sleeping on. Currently it's deflated, but it has the dual air valves here for being able to release the air pressure out of it. Real easy to be able to utilize those. Just make sure that they are really pushed in there and locked in place. There's a little ridge that you want to make sure is really locked in there and that you hear that snap. So you can have the main deflation there, and then also it has this little pull plug here that you can push, so you can actually put an inflating pump on there to be able to inflate it as well. There's 2 of these, so there's one on each side. They are not independent, meaning you can just fill up one, it'll fill up the whole thing. But it is nice to be able to have 2, so if you had 2 pumps, or depending on the side that you're wanting to fill up, you do have 2 access points. For deflation, it's really nice to have 2. And when you're also packaging it up, it's really nice to be able to have that. Now, if you don't have a pump, don't worry, it comes with one built in. So that's pretty cool too. So here on the bottom is the built-in foot pump. And how that works is you'll open this valve, keep that open the whole time, and then you step on this. You can also use your hand. While I was camping, there wasn't an opportunity for me to be able to step on this, so I just used my hand, covered the valve, push down, and then I release my hand, and you just do that pumping motion, and it'll blow it up. It blows this thing up in less than 5 minutes, even using my hand, so it wasn't a whole lot of work to try to get this done. It was really great. And then when you're done with that, go ahead and push this, and really make sure that it is sealed so that you don't have a leak on there. And you can see that it has a good seal. So this shows the waffling design here. Nice, great way. One way to be able to blow it up is to be able to have an inflation pump, especially one if you're car camping. That's a really great way to do that. You know, the other option here is to be able to have that off. Make sure that you have this plug already pumped up there. And then what you're going to do here is to be able to pump it up is open that valve, and you just sit here and pump just like this, and you can see how nicely it's pumping it up and how quickly it's pumping that up. Look at that. It is such a nice, effective way to be able to pump this thing up. This foot pump is so efficient. It works great. And look at that. Now it's already pumped up. Now you make sure that this is pushed down and locked in. You'll hear it click, and then you can look around to make sure that it's sealed properly. But this waffling design really does a great job of distributing the weight and making it feel very comfortable. And then you can see the pillows here that it has. Very comfortable as well. This thing's great. This thing was fantastic and really great, so comfortable to be able to use. I slept on this by myself, and it was so comfortable, even for one person to be able to have that and just really be able to spread out on this. I really love this. I know you will as well, because it is so easy to use. One of the nice things about it too is it's very lightweight. This is the stuff sack that it fits into. That is a small stuff sack. So that means that this whole big air mattress shrinks down, very compact, very easy to be able to store. Now, of course, I'm doing a messy job of trying to get it to go into the stuff sack, so I'm not gonna try it, but it just shows how small and compact it can really be, and it is so lightweight. So it's easy if you're gonna be doing a light backpacking trip and you want some extra creature comforts with you, definitely take this. Just make sure that you're measuring it to make sure it fits in your tent. All right, I'm gonna go sleep. See you later.